Welcome to day 15 of the 2021 Harry Potter Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. Day 15, what are we looking at? We're looking at down here, 15 and 17 joined together to create something. 16, I think tomorrow, I reckon that's going to be another minifig, is my guess. But I have no idea, to be honest. All right, 15 is over here. And okay, looks like it could be some sort of vault, or when I say vault, like a lockable cupboard of some nature. Maybe half a dozen photos, half a dozen pieces, but one of those is the double wand. This here. Take that off. Goes into the extras. So I think that is what goes inside the whatever it is that we're building. Okay. Zoom out. Here we go. All right. That's going on there. That closes over. Oh, I think that makes a book, actually. That's what that would be. That's a book. Of course. Then we have this on top of this. Oh no, the one that goes inside. Oop. That sits on top. Not much to this one, actually. But I wonder what it ends up making. Maybe a bookshelf of some nature, maybe. We'll have to wait until day 17 to work that out, because that doesn't look like much at all at the moment. So in 2 days' time, we will find out what 15 and 17 combine to make. Thanks for tuning in again. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and don't forget about the Sunday morning builds, which you can also check out via one of the links on your screen. Bye for now.